Honor and its parent brand, Huawei, are known for some stunningly designed glass back phones, so much so that a lot of people associate the blue glass bags with Honor. While most OEMs don't really bother about the looks of the phones in budget to mid-range category, Honor has always managed to wow the customers with devices like Honor 9N and Honor 9 Lite. If you are wondering how they can better these, watch out for Honor 8X, coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, Raju here from TechPP, and today I will be sharing my first impressions of the Honor 8X, which is launching in India on the 16th of October. But before we do that, make sure you have subscribed to this channel and hit that bell icon to be notified every time we have a new video. Let's get started. Well, we have already unboxed the device. If you are wondering, the plain Jane box comes with a SIM ejector tool, a nice transparent DPU case, micro USB cable, and a standard 10-watt wall charging brick. But what's not plain Jane is the device itself. It screams quality and premium from the word go. Unlike its predecessor, the popular Honor 7X, the 8X is anything but mid-segment when it comes to the appearance. In fact, it's unabashedly premium, picking few tips from the Huawei P20 Lite. Mind you, it's not apparent when you see it from the front, which follows relatively predictable lines. All display with a notch and thin bezels with almost 91% screen to body ratio, the usual buttons on the right, SIM tray with a dedicated micro SD slot to the left, 3.5mm audio jack, primary microphone, the age-old micro USB port and speaker grill on the bottom. The edges and sides are curved, giving the phone what many would call a good hand feel. Although I should point out that this is a largish phone at 160mm in length, definitely one you would need both your hands to use comfortably. But most of the design action happens on the back. It's all glass and yet is unlike anything else in the market. Technically, Honor calls it 2.5D double texture Aurora glass body with a grating effect. Well, I can say that it definitely does not grate on the eyes. It is shiny, yes, but seeing light reflect in different patterns and shades of it is quite a sight. Honor claims that this is because the back is made from 15 layers. Whatever it is, it certainly looks very different and turn heads. Counterbalancing this is a thin strip of vertical glass all along the left side of the back on which you find the rare dual cameras, LED flash and the Honor branding. This strip does not reflect light in fancy patterns but is simple plain glass and in design terms acts almost like the spine of a book, providing a stability that contrasts with the hectic activity next to it. This takes Honor 8X a step further away from the competition in the looks department, with even the similarly glassy Nokia 6.1 Plus and Moto G6 now looking bland in comparison. But the phone isn't all about the looks. It's the first Honor device to be powered by the new Kirin 710 processor manufactured in 12nm FinFET and comparable to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 660 processor. And of course, being an Honor device, it has a lot of AI tricks up its sleeve. Our unit has 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, dual 28 plus 2 megapixel cameras on the rear with a stack of shooting options, a powerful 60 megapixel selfie camera with face unlock, a good 6.5-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution, 3750 mAh battery, Android 8.1 with Honor's EMUI on top of it, and a lot of connectivity options too. While we don't know the price of the device at the time of recording this video, our sources say it will be closer to Rs 15,000 than Rs 20,000, making it rival the best-selling Redmi Note 5 Pro, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, Realme 2 Pro, and the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Whether it has the performance chops to match those worthies will be revealed in our review, but as of now, we can confess to being dazzled. Thanks a lot for joining me. I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, may the tech be with you.